Welcome back to another video with Straight Outta Content, and we are here. We are actually at Buc-ee's. You guys don't know what Buc-ee's is. It's a big ass gas station. I'm here with Shelly Love. We are here at the famous Buc-ee's. We're just filling up real quick. Guys, I don't know where you're at, but gas here in Texas is only $2.46. So this is another Vlogmas day. We are here. We are headed to Irving, Texas. Like I said, you know that we are potential, basically print brokers for Mamaki. We are your source if you are trying to get a printer, a cut machine, or anything print related for your business. If you're looking to start a business, if you're looking to grow your business and you want to be a print shop, you're tired of buying transfers from people, you're tired of transfers being late, you're tired of all these other people making money, contact us. Link in the description down below. You can get with us. We will get you set up. We will get you with the people. Nick over there at AMCAD, dealer here in the South Region area. They got financing available. They got everything that you need to get yourself into a printer. Remember that TXF 150? Those things are going like hotcakes. Get yourself one now so that you can never have to work again. Just work from home, work from your little small office, starting your print business and stuff like that, and then kind of scaling it from there. And get into it now. DTF is getting big, and everybody and their mama, just like with the Cricut machine, everybody and their mama had one. They started making money. Everybody's gonna be getting this DTF machine. You don't have one, I'm telling you, you're gonna be too late. You're gonna be trying to do it 3 years from now, wishing that you had a DTF machine, back when they were only, $18,000, $16,000, stuff like that. Then I guarantee you in the next 5 years, those things are gonna be no less $25,000, $30,000 because people are gonna realize how much they're worth. So get in the business now. So we're vlogging our whole trip to Dallas. Again, we're right here. We stopped at Buc-ee's and we're headed to Irving, Dallas, Texas.
Let me get in on there.
Oh, go ahead.
So I hear you talking about they need to get in on a printer now.
Yes.
I want you guys to know, don't be intimidated. There is training, there is help, there is classes to show you how to do everything. So don't be intimidated about this big printer. We are here to help. Mamaki's here to help, so we can get you started.
Exactly. All right, guys.
BTS.
All right, so where are we? Hey, how you doing? Scooters. All right, so we're on our way to Irving, and we figured to stop at Scooters. Gonna get these.
Oh, I got
Look at this. She thinks it's not gonna taste as good. I think it's gonna taste just as good.
Don't even look mocha.
It is. It even feels it. Feel it. Yeah, exactly. So don't be a hater. She's a hater her whole life. I think this drink is gonna be delicious.
Can I put it up?
I'm gonna go ahead. Yeah, she's gonna hook it up. Let's see.
But don't taste it till I get mine.
Don't taste it. Okay, so I'm gonna taste it, and we're gonna put our.
Is this a peanut plus?
It's not a peanut. Don't be a hater. You hold on. Oh, hey. So I'm gonna taste it here, and then she's gonna. Well, we're gonna taste it on camera, so we're gonna pull around, throw away our drinks, and then we're gonna taste it. I think it's gonna be good.
How much was it? I'll tell you if it's good. We are.
We are.
Do y'all want to be in the video?
Yeah.
He said no.
The answers were for you.
Let me give you our
Straight Outta Content. All right, so we're gonna go try it. I'm actually gonna put this on the thing. Shelly don't believe in magnets.
I don't believe in
Magnetize.
You
know what? You know what? You know what? Now, you know what? Now, you're trying to get me to do something on camera that's illegal. Don't do that. I don't do that to you. I do not do that to you. Because you're trying to get me to eject you real quick. Now, here we go.
Okay.
You can park right here.
This is funny. We got both of the cameras. Okay, this is BTS behind the scenes. Hold on. I'm going to put us right here. Okay, so I'm excited. I got extra matcha. This is Scooter's Coffee. They've only been around since '98, so they're Gen Z. Like, what's going on?
Oh, snap. How did they do that?
Okay, so I only like matcha from Starbucks. I haven't found it good anywhere else.
I only like these from McDonald's.
Okay, cheers. Here's to safe traveling. Let's go.
I told you, you're such a hater. You're such a hater. This is good.
Yours is good?
Yeah. Mmm.
No one has ever gotten it right. Oh, there's it.
I don't know how much it costs.
What do you mean?
I didn't get a receipt. 2, these come stock with 2 shots of espresso.
I forgot. I should have told her to put
these
some in
come stock with 2 shots. You usually have to, from McDonald's, then we get a medium mocha frappe, no whipped cream with a shot of espresso.
Yeah, she said it comes with 2.
Look at that. It's heaven. You should drink it out the straw. I like it. It's perfect.
Oh, that is good.
I know.
It's not as mocha as we like it, but it's still really good.
I don't like it necessarily.
It kind of tastes like oh, you put vanilla.
I know.
No, did you?
Yes, I did. I got vanilla and sugar. She tried to play me with the sugar.
Baby,
but it tastes like good coffee. It tastes like almost like our creamer at home with regular coffee. Come on.
It almost tastes like Starbucks.
So shout out to Scooters. Hey, listen, shout out to Scooters. Shout out to Scooters. Shout out to Scooters. It's great. It's really good. I'm not gonna lie. And so if you want to know this recipe, this is a small mocha frappe.
Now, okay, you're a connoisseur now.
This is a small mocha frappe. No whipped cream. Yes, it is.
No, it's a blended. They don't have frappes here.
Oh, it's a small. Well, yeah, it's either hot, iced, or blended.
Yes.
This is a small blended mocha, shot of vanilla, shot of sugarcane sugar.
Yes, and this is
bullshit.
A matcha tea latte with oat milk, with oat milk, extra matcha.
It's not
3 pumps of.
It's not oat.
Hush, I let you do yours.
It's oat. They don't know the difference. They're gonna ask for oat.
I'm gonna bite your finger. 3 pumps of sugar cane, and that's it. Oh, so good. All right.
What kind of milk again? Oat.
I almost said mama's milk. But shout out to Robin. Okay, we need to get back on the road. Oh, let's do these way. You know why these taste so sour? This is old lemon. I can tell old lemon.
Where do we throw a track? Well, I'll pull you around. All right, we're gonna.
Bye. We'll see you soon.
We're at this random gas station because Chelly couldn't hold her poop. Sorry, babe. I had to tell him that you have a pooping problem and you like to poop in public bathrooms. And that's one of the public bathrooms that you're choosing. We're in the middle of nowhere. She wanted to buy stuff from here. I'm like, we are not buying anything from here. I don't know where we're at, but yeah, Chelly's in there pooping. Alrighty, so we are at another Buc-ee's number 2. We're only about an hour away from Irving, and what did Chelly have to do again? She has to poop. This is the 2nd time. I don't understand. Is this like a woman thing? I don't know, but babe, next time, let's get all the poop out before we leave the house, because these are a lot of stops that you're forcing us to do, and you're slowing us down. We got to get to the hotel, okay? But shout out to Buc-ee's because they have really clean bathrooms. I don't necessarily use them because I'm not a public bathroom type of guy, but Chelly is. So I miss you, babe. Make sure that you wipe. All right, so we are finally to the hotel. Which one are we?
Don't tell them.
Oh yeah, that's right. We're at the hotel.
Pull up on them.
Yeah, we're trying to pull up. Yeah, so we're at the hotel right now, and we're gonna go check in. I gotta pee really bad, and then what's cool is we're right across the street from a Benihana, so definitely going there for lunch or dinner or something like that. But we are in Irving. We made it. You said lunch?
Safe and sound.
We were just talking about eating that type of food too.
I love it.
I can't wait. So yeah, we might go there for lunch. We're kind of hungry, but we're gonna go settle in. Chelly, I don't think we need the AC on, but we need it on. But we are in our room. It's a lot smaller than we thought it was gonna be, right, babe?
Yeah.
But we are still thinking. We're still thinking about, do we want to do a travel channel? Because we're always traveling, and do we want to kind of turn this into a travel channel? This way, whenever we stay somewhere for business, it's like elaborate and a really super nice place. And I know that they have that up here in the Irving, Dallas area. So we are here in the room, and we are about to go to Mamaki, AMCAD, go talk to Rom and everything about setting up for tomorrow. So I'm gonna try to get this vlog out today so that you guys can know to go live tomorrow for DTF Day at Mamaki/AMCAD here in Irving, Texas. So again, definitely come out here. I'll try to post this on social media as well, but definitely come out here, guys, because tomorrow is going down. It's gonna be a great day. Hey guys, we are here. We made it, as you can see. Mamaki AMCAD, baby girl right there. We are about to go inside, go chop it up with Rom. And yeah, we are here. Finally made it. So again, today's video is just a vlog, just to let you know what's going on tomorrow. Again, I still need to put this out on Instagram. Let everybody know if you're in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, Irving, Grapevine, anywhere up here, or even if you're in Houston or Oklahoma, come on down to DTF Day, Thursday, December 7th.
Yeah.
Let's go inside. All right, guys, so we are here. We are inside of AMCAD where they will be doing the DTF Day, okay? December 7th, 10 a.m. Come out. You want to learn about DTF, and if you want to use a printer that's extremely easy to use, super simple, you don't want to miss this, okay? So this video is dropping tonight so that you guys in Oklahoma, Dallas, Fort Worth area, even Houston, Louisiana, if you guys want to come to DTF Day, check it out. You're going to learn so much information. It's from 10 to 2, and yeah, there's a lot going down. So we are here just chit-chatting, seeing they're getting everything working together. These guys are running around. doing everything. They're getting everything locked and loaded for you guys so they can give you an awesome experience here in Milwaukee, AMCAD Cutwork. All right, so definitely you don't want to miss it. We're gonna kind of have some conversation, get into some business talks and stuff like that, but you do not want to miss this opportunity. Come to DTF Day. And again, they have it monthly. So if you purchase a printer from them, they have it monthly so that this way, not only with the tech service and everything, all the other videos and stuff that they have out there, but you will also learn. You can always just come out here, check it out, hang out, learn about the printer, learn some things that you might not have had caught last time or while you're working on it. They have everything that you need to get you started. If you want to start a DTF business or expand your business that you already have, or maybe you have a print shop or a screen printing shop and you want to kind of add another piece to that shop because you keep hearing about this DTF stuff. Remember, guys, I told you, get into it now before it's saturated. Right now, not a lot of people have access to a DTF printer, but it's only a matter of time before these machines go up because everybody's got them and there's not that much demand. So, and there's not that much product. Remember, prices go up when there's high demand and low quantity. So make sure you get yours soon. That's gonna be it for Straight Outta Contact, guys. Stay tuned for all the other videos and stay tuned for tomorrow's live because it's gonna be amazing. Be basic. Peace.